Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. A lot of people ask me how to fix the front panel audio jacks not working in any kind of PC or any mainboard. You can see a lot of YouTube videos that shows you useless solution, like you will go to sound settings or you will go to Windows troubleshoot and wait for Windows automatically troubleshoot for you. In this video, I will show you the real ways that I use. First of all, you need to make sure that the audio drivers in your PC are installed correctly. The easiest way is you go to Google and to search for audio drivers. Like I do right now, I have an MSI Z790 mainboard, so I search for audio drivers and we go to MSI homepage. I choose driver download and I download the suitable audio drivers for my mainboard. If you can't find suitable audio drivers for your PC, you can go to this website, go 3dchips.com, and you download this app. This app will automatically download all the drivers for you, such as CPU, motherboard, videos, sounds, and internet. After you install all the drivers correctly, if the issues still remain, you still cannot use the front panel jacks, you will go to search option over here and you search for audio. You can see right here, based on the kind of mainboard, based on the kind of audio drivers, you will have different audio control apps. You can see I have Realtek Audio Console. I will open this app. This one is overall audio controller that's built in your mainboard or with your audio drivers. You will find your apps the analog option over here. You can see we have back panel and we have front panel also. You have the setting icon here, so I will choose this one. You can see the option right here, disable front panel jack. This one is the one we're looking for. Based on the kind of mainboard and the audio drivers, you need to find this option and you just need to turn this option on. You can see the headphone and the microphone option are on, and now I can use the front panel audio jacks both for headphone or microphone. That's all my videos. If my video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you want to ask me anything, and I will see you in my next videos.